there are supposed to be some thunderstorms in my area. For some reason it is going to storm Fridays, so hopefully it does. It says 100% chance of rain, so hopefully it's at night after the Cubs game sometime, because I don't want it to get postponed. Excuse me, I burped. On the hourly forecast, it says there's not going to be any thunderstorms 6 p.m. It's only 5 o'clock right now, but 6 p.m. 86 degrees, mostly cloudy. Feels like 86. 30% chance of rain. 7 o'clock, 84 degrees, cloudy. 85 degrees, feels like 30% chance of rain. 9 p.m. For some reason there's no thunderbolt or lightning bolt in dark gray clouds. I don't know why. It's supposed to storm and shit. Maybe I'll record a little bit of the news and start recording the rain, hopefully. I mean, there are sometimes thunderstorms in Chicago, but it skips the town that I am in. I'm not literally in the city, I'm in the suburbs. Sometimes it skips my town. The storms barely miss my town. Alright, here are the clouds. I'm over there where that arrow is, or whatever the hell. So yeah, they should be coming to my town. There should be storms in my town. Hopefully it doesn't skip. This thing needs to get out of the way. Yeah, maybe I'll record more on some on the news.
Well, after our sunny day, the clouds have moved in, and the rain looks like.
Yep, storm's moving through. Live look right now, western suburbs. Tom Skilling in the Weather Center with an update tonight. Tom.
Yes, indeed, Mark. We have hundreds of reports of severe weather collected over the last 4 days as this weather system moved across the plains. Now it's our turn, and all this comes after a very warm day with a rapid increase in humidity, fueling these 43,000-foot-tall thunderstorms coming across the area. They're now heading into the city, and they've been lambasting the western suburbs with high winds, heavy rain, and even some hail. We'll show you wind gusts in a moment. They've had a lot of lightning as well. There's some indication they're starting to weaken a little bit, but don't write them off. They have plenty of rain to produce across the areas, you can see, as they march ever closer to Cook County. And we're hearing thunder at the station right now. Half an inch at West Aurora High School. Kankakee, a third of an inch. Sandwich, you can see the amounts there. We've had some reports, almost an inch at Sugar Grove Airport in 20 minutes. And gusts of 53 miles per hour out in Aurora. Geneva, 48 miles per hour. We have a series of cameras that will show you. Here's the storm. These are the storms moving into Plainfield during the course of the last few minutes. Look at the rain that accumulates in Kankakee on our weather bug camera there after downpours hit that area. And of course, Sandwich out in DeKalb County has been hard hit with gusty winds. And look at the field work being done in the rain that sits in the wake of the storms that have gone through West Aurora High School. In Geneva, more rain in that area. And here you can see how the temperatures have crashed in the wake of that rain to the 60s after the warmth. But the warmth is not over. It's coming back. We'll have warm days right on through the Memorial Day weekend. And this weather system has produced heavy rains to our west, so it has a rich history of rain production. It means, I guess this is just a sample is the way to look at it of what we'll see from time to time in the next couple of days. But the rain won't be continuous. More on temperatures and how frequently we'll see it, how much we've got coming yet tonight, and what's coming in our future later on.
All right. Thank
See
you,
you,
sir.
Micah. All right,
See you later. Listen, break.
Alright, we're supposed to have some thunderstorms. I'm outside now. People might be looking at me, but if you hear a noise, someone's upstairs in one of their apartment units or vacuuming. But it's It's warm, it's hot out here. So it's not storming yet, but the clouds, it looks like it's gonna storm. So hopefully it does storm. I want to have a thunderstorm video. I wish this vacuum could shut the hell up. It better shut the hell up soon. If it starts storming, the vacuum better shut up, because you won't be able to hear the thunder, because the vacuum will be, you know, blocking the thunder noise. You know? But I'll record more when it starts storming, so yeah. Alright, I think there's somewhat little bit of raindrops, because I keep hearing like drops hitting the ground. Ooh, and I saw lightning. Shut up. Now we got some idiot riding down the street blasting his rap music. And we got that stupid dog barking. I hate when he barks. Every time there's a thunderstorm, but it's starting to rain harder now. Now it's really raining harder. I'm gonna run. Woo! My God, it's stupid vacuum cleaner. It's annoying. See the wind blowing the rain in the street. It's raining pretty darn hard right now. See that over there? There's that foam, that stream. I think I showed you it before. I'd go closer, but I don't want to break the camera. Damn! Look how hard it's raining. I'm gonna run again. I'm soaked. Go over there, you can see water falling. Hang on. Over there. Sorry, the camera keeps getting raindrops on it. Rain is like slowing down. Sorry, that's my cat. Oh, 1 minute left. Look how wet I am. I was more wet, but I somewhat dried off a little, but you can see my glasses has raindrops on them. And you can see the ground is all wet. Yeah, over here is that stream. Where it was all bubbly over here. It was all white and bubbly. The stream. Ooh, there's lightning. I'm gonna show you the street and then I'm gonna wrap up the video. Alright, I'm going to wrap up this thunderstorm video. It's supposed to storm again Friday, so I'll have a thunderstorm video Friday, hopefully, if it does storm. So see you later, guys. Goodbye. This is this thunderstorm video. I'll do a lot more for this summer. Let's look at the aftermath, or